There's a fixture hanging in your house right now that's quietly costing you more money every single month than your Netflix subscription. And most people never even notice it. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know exactly which fixtures to swap, what to spend, and how fast you get your money back. Trust me, the last one on this list surprised even me. Before we get into it, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the rest of this budget upgrade series. Now let's get into it. Why this upgrade actually matters in 2026. Lighting eats up around 15% of the average home's electricity use. That sounds small until you realize most homes are still running old incandescent or halogen bulbs in at least a few fixtures. With electricity averaging around 16 to 18 cents per kilowatt hour across the US this year, those old bulbs are burning cash, not just watts. The average household saves about $225 a year just by switching their home over to LED. That's real money, and the upgrade itself barely dents your wallet. The magic price range. Here's the good news. You don't need a renovation budget to do this. Most LED fixture upgrades fall between $30 and $100 per fixture. That covers flush mounts, pendant lights, vanity bars, and even outdoor porch fixtures. You're not buying luxury chandeliers here. You're buying smart, efficient upgrades that quietly pay for themselves. Kitchen and bathroom fixtures. Start in the rooms you use the most. A basic LED flush mount ceiling fixture runs about $30 to $50 and instantly brightens a kitchen or hallway. Bathroom vanity bars with integrated LEDs, the kind with even flicker-free light for shaving or makeup, land around $40 to $70. These are the fixtures you touch every single day, so the upgrade feels immediate. You flip the switch and the room just feels different, cleaner, brighter, more alive. Living room and bedroom upgrades. For living spaces, look at LED pendant lights or semi-flush fixtures in the $50 to $90 range. Many now come with adjustable color temperature, so you can shift from warm cozy light in the evening to crisp white light when you need focus. Pair one with a smart plug or a basic dimmer switch and you've built a lighting setup that used to cost hundreds of dollars just a few years ago. Outdoor and garage fixtures. Don't skip outside. Outdoor LED wall fixtures and porch lights typically run $35 to $80 and last far longer in tough weather than old incandescent versions. A 10-watt LED porch light running 10 hours a night costs less than 2 cents a day to operate. Compare that to an old incandescent doing the same job for over 10 cents a day. Over a year, that gap adds up fast, especially if you've got multiple outdoor fixtures running every night. The math that makes this a no-brainer. Let's talk numbers because this is where it gets satisfying. A single LED bulb typically costs $1 to $3 a year to operate. An old incandescent in the same spot can cost anywhere from $5 to $20 a year. Multiply that across even 10 fixtures in your home and you're looking at real annual savings, often well over $100, sometimes closer to $200. LEDs also last 25 times longer than standard bulbs, so you're not constantly replacing bulbs either. Over 15 years, the total cost of owning an LED setup, fixture plus electricity plus zero replacements, comes out dramatically lower than sticking with old technology. What to look for when you shop? Not all LED fixtures are created equal, so here's what actually matters when you're picking one out. Check the lumens, not just the watts, since lumens tell you actual brightness. Look at color temperature. Warmer numbers around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin feel cozy. Higher numbers around 4000 to 5000 Kelvin feel crisp and clean, better for kitchens and workspaces. And check if it's dimmable if you want flexibility. A lot of budget fixtures skip that feature, so read the label before you buy. A smart tip most people miss. Before you buy anything, check if your local utility company offers rebates. A lot of programs across the country still offer credits or discounts on qualifying LED fixtures, and it takes 5 minutes to check your zip code on a rebate database. That can shave even more off that $30 to $100 price range, sometimes making the upgrade almost free. How to prioritize if you're on a tight budget. If you can't do the whole house at once, start with the fixtures that run the longest each day. Porch lights, kitchen lights, and any fixture you leave on for hours add up faster than a bedroom lamp you flip on for 20 minutes. Upgrade those first and you'll see the savings show up on your bill the fastest. So here's the bottom line. For less money than a nice dinner out, you can swap a fixture that pays you back in lower bills for years to come. Start with one room, see the difference, and build from there. If this helped you rethink your lighting setup, drop a comment with which fixture you're upgrading first, and subscribe for more simple upgrades that actually make a difference in your budget. See you in the next one.